Right here we got winter air cones. Another condo complex. We have carrier base model and two protected talking silencer systems. I'm guessing they're all from the same year. There's Goodman. Oh, there's another protected. Oh, this has a really small coke-end reciprocating compressor. This one has a sound blanket. And this one, what the hell? There's a rotary compressor. This is a heat pump. I think this is a little bit of Mason job that just turned on. I don't know if it has been running. From 1998, and that is from 2018. Serial number on this. Also 98. This is all from 98. This is a. Oh, that one's running. 2017. There's a Train XR. 2017 as well. 98 as well. And here's a new Goodman, I think. 23. I don't know what year the ream is from. This is a brand new Allied. This is brand new, I think. 2024. And there's a Train. 2011. There we go. Cool. This one's noisy. There's a scroll though. That one's kind of noisy. I don't see any more units. Oh wait, there are some over there. But one of these is noisy. The serial number, I can't really tell. There's Goodman, an Allied, and another ream of some sort. There's a big Goodman. Goodman's small. There's an older Train that has a new compressor, I think. And then this ream is running, and here's this carrier. Carrier Street, oh, here it is, 2012. This is from 2014. I don't think that's the original compressor though. There's a Lennox. Oh, this one sounds amazing. These are all from 98, I think. Yeah, all these Tech 2000s. Here's this Lennox. Goodman. I think this is a newer Goodman. Yeah, this one has a rotary compressor. That one sounds amazing. One of these is noisy. Oh, it's this Goodman. Okay, this is a new Goodman. Oh, it has a rotary compressor, that's it. It doesn't have a sound blanket. There's a vacuum in there. Yeah. And one of these, oh, there's a paint teardrop. This is a run true fat paint teardrop. You see, it's from 2001. I think it's a 5-ton. I don't know. It's a fat one. Maybe it was this ream over here, or this Train. maybe it wasn't this one. Maybe it was the train that was noisy. Maybe that was the noisy one. I remember that one of these was kind of noisy. I think that's actually all of the air conditioners around here. Okay, well, there were some more units in the other side of this building, and they were, I think, all new ones, like Train Explorer and some panes and stuff. But I didn't feel like filming them because there were some people over there. But I think I filmed everything else here. Except I don't know where I put the camera. It's here. Sounds exactly like our Tech 2000 that we used to have, except a lot quieter. Hope it turned up well in the video. Anyways, there's people over there, so I have to go. That thing sounds amazing. You can still hear it from here.